Okay, we are at Bullfrog Lake in Willow Springs, Illinois. We just set up the tent. It's a roomy tent for 6 people. And we're gonna prepare the firewood and grill some steaks, make some soup. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm with my friends Emmanuel and Sabah. And let me just show you quickly what Bullfrog Lake looks like. It's a small lake. It's stocked with fish. I didn't bring my fishing gear. We're just gonna grill. But here's the lake itself. And there's a path, a paved path that goes all around it. We are in Palos Hills. It's a Cook County Forest Preserve, but it's pretty nice. So we are in civilization, we're not out there. We got our fire going in somewhat wet conditions. We got the soup on. My friend has his frozen steak thawing out there before he puts it on the grill. And then we're going to put our steaks on. Got 3 steaks on with Georgian seasoning. The lake is stocked with various kinds of fish. Let's go on the pier. We'll get a nice view. That's the office and camp store. They're open till 10 o'clock. In the background there are cabins you can rent. We did that once a few years ago with my friends. It's a nice little location just outside of Chicago, about 30 minutes west of Chicago. Gives you kind of a getaway from civilization, not too far away from civilization. It is 11 o'clock. I'll be going to bed about midnight. It's 47 degrees at Bullfrog Lake. Good morning. It is 8:45. Had a good night's sleep. Very pleasant night. Now we're gonna make breakfast and head on back home. We got the andouille sausage, mushrooms, and scallions going. Almost done. Then we'll do the eggs alone and then throw everything back in with the eggs. Because there's not enough room to do the eggs.
That looks good.
hey guys, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much.